Hey there, guys. My name is Sherlock. Sherlock Washington here. We're talk about this right the news up here. This is an Olympus digital. This is an Olympus VN-7200. Olympus VN-72 digital voice recorder. So I bought this on Amazon. They're gonna stop the tape the button. The digital voice recorder just looked like VHS and compact cassette and CD. Now this digital voice recorder now. They're gonna see this it's called Olympus digital voice recorder VN-7200. And this is stop button, record button, erase button, folder/index button, display/menu button, volume up and volume down button, rewind and fast forward button, play/OK button, and speaker phone. It's built the speaker. You can listen speaker day, in the morning, day, afternoon, evening, and night. This is an ear microphone input. Built the microphone. You could talk, you could preach, you could talk about sports highlights, vehicles, and more. This is our earphones input. This is our power on, off/hold. Let's see what I could do. This is the size of AAA batteries. It's size triple. It says made in Vietnam. I'll go turn it on. Let's turn it on. Let's see what you call back into the show right here. What I'll take you come in. I'll be right back. I'll go to turn the speaker on. Let's see if it works. This is a photo B. This is a photo B. Check 1. Test the room. 2, 23, 24. Test the room 2, 29. The speaker is working. The power is still on. My phone number is 1-888-757-759. This my phone number. Let's try to see if it works. Hello guys. My name is Sherlock. We're gonna check with the digital voice recorder. This Olympus VN-7200 digital voice recorder. Wait, I'm still on folder B. Folder B. Alright, let's talk about the phone number. My name is Sherlock. My phone number is 1-888-777-7975. Wait, today is 17th of July, 2018. That is gonna do it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you see. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Sherlock Washington. Please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.